Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on Boolean algebra, lecture number 6, in which I will discuss some problems on Boolean algebra. Now we solve a problem. Problem number 1. Prove that no Boolean algebra can have three distinct elements. Now we solve this. Let us consider B be a Boolean algebra having three elements. Then B must have two distinct elements 0 and 1 as identities for operations plus and dot respectively. Let A be the third element of B. Since B is a Boolean algebra, therefore there exists an element complement of A in B such that A plus complement of A equal to 1 and A dot complement of A equal to 0 by complement law. Now there arises three cases. Number 1, complement of A equal to A. Number 2, complement of A equal to 0. Number 3, complement of A equal to 1. As we need complement of A in B. As we have only three elements 0, 1 and A. So among these three elements we will have to get the complement of A, as complement of A belongs to capital B. Now we take case 1. Let complement of A equal to A. Since by complement law we know that A plus complement of A equal to 1. Here we have considered complement of A equal to A, so in place of complement of A we write A. So here we get A plus A equal to 1. Now by idempotent law A plus A equal to A. Therefore A equal to 1. We get the result A equal to 1. Again, by complement law, A dot complement of A equal to 0. In place of complement of A, we write A. By idempotent law, A dot A equal to A equal to 0. So, by considering complement of A equal to A, we get A equal to 1, A equal to 0. But according to our assumption, A is different from 1 and 0. Therefore, our assumption in case 1, complement of A equal to A is not possible. Now we take case 2. In case 2, we take complement of A equal to 0. Let complement of A equal to 0. Since by complement law A plus complement of A equal to 1. In place of complement of A we write here 0. Since A plus 0 equal to A. So here we get A equal to 1. But we have three distinct elements A, 0 and 1. So A cannot be equal to 1. So according to our assumption, A is not equal to 1. Therefore, case 2 for complement of A equal to 0 is not possible. Now we take case 3. In case 3, we consider complement of A equal to 1. Since by complement law, A dot complement of A equal to 0. Here, in place of complement of A, we write 1. Since A dot 1 equal to A. So here we get result A equal to 0. Since A is different from 0 by our assumption. So case 3 for complement of A equal to 1 is not possible. From cases 1, 2 and 3, we may conclude that B has either two elements 0 and 1, or B has 4 elements, because if there is an element A, small a, in B different from 0 and 1, then B must have another element complement of A different from 0, 1 and A. Hence, no Boolean algebra can have exactly 3 elements. Proved. Now we solve the next problem. Problem number 2. Prove that for any small a, small b and small c in a Boolean algebra, the following are equal. Number 1, a plus b, here dot. Here we see that there is no sign, but in this place we consider dot. A plus b dot A complement of A plus C dot B plus C. Number 2, AC plus AC means A dot C plus complement of AB means complement of A dot B plus BC means B dot C. It is to remember that where there is no sign, we consider there dot. Number 3, A plus B dot complement of A plus C. Number 4, AC plus complement of A, B. Firstly, we take number 1. Here A plus B dot complement of A plus C dot B plus C. Here by taking two last terms and using distributive law, here we see that plus C, here also plus C. So we write plus C, here complement of A dot B. So by distributive law, we may write complement of A plus C dot B plus C. Again, by distributive law, A dot complement of A, B plus C plus B dot this term. Now again using distributive law, we get A complement of AB plus AC plus B complement of AB plus BC. Here we take here commutative law. B complement of A, B means here A prime B equal to B A prime, and we take B in a bracket here. Here we take A prime in a bracket. By complement law, here A prime equal to 0, and here by idempotent law, B equal to B. Here 0 dot B equal to 0, and here by commutative law, B A prime equal to A prime B. So here 0 plus AC equal to AC. So we get AC plus A prime B plus BC. This is number 1, and the result is number 2. Therefore 1 and 2 are equal. Now we take number 3. A plus B dot A prime plus C. Now we use distributive law. A dot this bracket plus B dot this bracket, and again we use the distributive law. A prime plus AC here plus B A prime plus BC. Here A prime means A dot A prime. By complement law, this equal to 0. We write here 0. Plus AC plus here B A prime by commutative law. A prime B. Here we write plus BC. So 0 plus AC equal to AC plus A prime B plus BC. This is the result 2. So 3 and 2 are equal. Now we take 2, AC plus A prime B plus BC. Here BC means 1 dot BC, we may write, and in place of 1 we may write by complement law A plus A prime. Now taking distributive law, A BC plus A prime BC. Now we rearrange the terms. Here AC plus ABC, since we know that Boolean algebra obeys the commutative law, so we may write terms by rearranging. So AC plus ABC plus A prime B plus A prime BC. We take here ABC as AC B by commutative law, and here also we write A prime B under bracket C, means by associative law. So here we see that AC plus AC dot B. So by using absorption law, we get this equal to AC. Here also we see that A prime B plus A prime B dot C. So also by absorption law, we may get here A prime B. So result is AC plus A prime B. This is result 4 and this is result 2. So 2 and 4 are equal. So we see that 3 and 2 are equal, 1 and 2 are equal, here 2 and 4 are equal. Hence all 4 are equal. Proved. Now we solve the next problem. Problem number 3. In a Boolean algebra, if a plus x equal to b plus x and a plus x prime equal to b plus x prime, then prove that a equal to b. Now given that number 1, a plus x equal to b plus x, this is number 1. Number 2, a plus x prime equal to b plus x prime. Since by identity law a equal to a plus 0, by complement law we may write 0 equal to x dot x prime, complement of x. By distributive law, here we write a plus x dot a plus x prime. Using 1 and 2, here a plus x equal to b plus x, here a plus x prime equal to b plus x prime. Again by using distributive law, here we see plus. So b plus x dot x prime. Again by complement law, x dot x prime equal to 0. Now by identity law, b plus 0 equal to b. Therefore a equal to b. Proved. Now we solve problem number 4. In a Boolean algebra, prove that b equal to c if and only if both a plus b equal to a plus c and a dot b equal to a dot c holds. Now we solve this. Firstly we consider b equal to c. If b equal to c, then we may write both side a plus. So a plus b equal to a plus c. So this part proved. Again, if b equal to c, then we take dot, a dot in both sides. So we write a dot b equal to a dot c. So ab equal to ac proved. By considering b equal to c, we get a plus b equal to a plus c and ab equal to ac. Now conversely, let we have a plus b equal to a plus c. This is number 1. And AB equal to AC. Now we have to prove that B equal to C. Since by absorption law we may write B equal to B dot B plus A. And by commutative law B plus A equal to A plus B. Now using 1, A plus B equal to A plus C. Now we use the distributive law b dot a plus b dot c. By commutative law here ba equal to ab. Now we use number 2, ab equal to ac. In place of ab we write here ac. Here we see that plus and here c and here c. So we use the distributive law. By distributive law we get a plus b dot c. By using 1 we get a plus b equal to a plus c. This is a plus c dot c. So by absorption law we write here c. Therefore, we get B equal to C. Proved. Now we solve problem number 5. In any Boolean algebra, so that under bracket A plus B dot under bracket B plus C dot under bracket C plus A equal to A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Left side is under bracket A plus B dot under bracket B plus C dot under bracket C plus A. Now we use commutative law here. B plus C equal to C plus B. Now we use distributive law. Here we see that plus and here also plus. Here C, here C. So C plus B dot A. This is B dot A. B dot A. Now we may write here B dot A equal to A dot B, and also we use distributive law here. A dot C plus BA means AB distributive law plus B dot C plus AB. Now we again use here distributive law. AC plus AAB plus BC plus BAB. Here associative AAB. Here we may write by commutative law AB equal to BA, and again we may rearrange this by associative law BBA. By idempotent law AA equal to A and BB equal to B. Now we may write here BA equal to AB by commutative law. Again by commutative law we may write BC plus AB equal to AB plus BC. Here by using idempotent law AB plus AB equal to AB. Again we use the commutative law AC plus AB equal to AB plus AC. Again we use commutative law AC plus BC equal to BC plus AC. Again we use commutative law AC equal to CA. So we get AB plus BC plus CA equal to right side, and proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.